If you're asked to record and submit a video in Schoology, first, you'll click on the assignment your teacher gave you. Then you will click Submit Assignment. And then you will click on the microphone. Here you will choose Audio and Video. And if it's the first time you've done this, you will need to click Allow on the pop-up message to allow the use of your camera and microphone. Next, you will see whatever is in front of your Chromebook camera, and you will click Start Recording. When you finish your recording, you'll submit it. If you have any problems with the recording, you will need to click on the padlock in the address bar, choose Site Settings, and then next to Camera and Microphone, make sure the drop-downs both say Allow. You can close the Settings tab when you're finished. If you have further questions, please ask your teacher.